How are you guys? My name is Jorge Almodovar, and I am the owner of Ardiente Radio. It's an internet radio station. And I got with me an amazing board, and it is the Airlite board. An amazing piece of equipment. You guys are going to love this. So why don't you guys follow me here? I'm going to show you a little bit about it. You guys are going to be pretty impressed. So this board has 8 channels. 3 of them are mics. Okay, you could plug in different decks into this. Your number 8 is your Skype or your telephone hybrid, so you can definitely have a telephone here connected, which is amazing. It has A and B controls, so you can actually take this board and control your automation system with these buttons, which is, to me, is amazing. Again, you have your 3 channels. You could EQ them here. You have your inputs, your line or USB, however you want to do this. The great thing about this is that with the automation that this has, the Aircast, D&R Aircast, you can actually be live and do voice tracks as this is going live, which is awesome because you can use this to produce while you are live. So let's kind of dive into this and show you a little bit of this stuff, what this amazing board does. So we're going to start playing some music. It'll be Spanish, guys, so excuse me, but that's what I do. So as you can see, I can just double tap here. And my music starts playing, which is great. So my music is playing. People are listening. Let's say that the song just finished, and I want to have a liner. Very nice. I just push this button here. See, which is great. Another thing is that these faders are connected automatically. So as you can see, I can start the track just by putting the fader up. Put the fader up. And the track just started for me, which is great. I don't need a mouse. I don't need to click on the screen. Nothing. Everything is right here. If this track just finished, I want to go to my other liner. Go back to the next song, which is awesome. This is my controller. I am playing with this as I'm building my show, which is amazing. You can, in this screen here in the Aircast, you can actually put beds on your carts. You can put different beds in here. So if you're doing any type of morning shows, you can control them with your control decks. Any sound effects, you can put them in here and just play them as you go. This has a lot of different things. You can schedule music with this. You can use softwares like Music One if you actually take and you schedule it through a scheduler software. You can import the information into Aircast, and it'll automatically just read it, and you'll be able to have a nice combination with your scheduler in Aircast. Aircast, the thing I love about this program, this software is exactly for this type of boards, for the D&R boards. You can get it with Progressive Concepts. They help you out, and this, I think, is great that we have them in the USA because they actually give you support. They help you with it. And any questions that you have, you can get in touch with D&R engineers that will walk you through the whole process and help you through it. You can have databases imported into this, and it's just an amazing concept. You also get this little screen here that you can have, and this amazing screen, as you can see, it gives you the time of the day, and also it shows you where in the clock you are at, your seconds, the hour, the minutes. It shows you here, as you can see, which faders are on, which ones are off. It gives you meters. So it gives you everything right there. So usually in a computer, your time will be in the very bottom, but you don't have to do that. It gives you everything right there. And this is all included, which is amazing. Your Aircast is an additional cost, but I'm going to tell you, invest. I believe it costs like $500. Invest in it because it'll be great to have it with your Airlite. It's very simple to use. It was a plug and play. And again, I think it's just an amazing board. I can play with this all I want. See, as you can see, it'll just continue to. You could just play with them. You could, put another effect. El movimiento sigue dándote más música ardiente. El calor musical. And as you bring your fader up, boom, it just starts playing. Another great thing that this has, let me find actually a track that has this. As you can see, it gives you a countdown. So now you can talk to your audience, and then it gives you a nice, awesome countdown, and then the music will start. Okay? So now the artist starts playing and give you a nice little countdown, so you can have your nice segues and you can talk in between your songs and create a nice, an amazing show. So guys, this is the Airlite by D&R. You can get it at Progressive Concepts. If you're a radio station, beginner radio station, if you also are a internet radio station, and if you want an amazing board, trust me, this is the board that you need. This is the D&R Airlite. I've tried to go with other boards, and it just didn't have, for the price, it did not have all the things that this board has. Again, my name is George. Thank you for listening, and this is the D&R Airlite.